Greetings, members one and all of the Salivation Nation. I announce and introduce to you the International Silver Syndicate. Greetings, members one and all of the Salivation Nation. Yes, it is the International Silver Syndicate, which is a new initiative by MK Barz. And as you can see here is the 5-ounce bar as part of a new subscription service for those who are fans of poured silver. Indeed, it involves multiple channels, as you see here, the different dies for each of the bars that will be coming in the subscription service from 10 different YouTube channels. Indeed, very exciting. Some of you may have seen videos of other MK Barz subscription products being released. Very nice, high quality. MK Barz provides probably the greatest variety and of unique products in the poured silver arena, indeed. And so this particular initiative involves, as I mentioned, multiple various different YouTube channels out there. And these bars will be included in this subscription service. Very interesting indeed. Each 1 and 2 ounce piece will have a different privy mark each month. For instance, like a skull, animals, flags, etc. And the 5-ounce bar will have new artwork that will be a different design each month. And because of the scope of the project, and as part of the surprise, subscribers won't necessarily be able to pick and choose which channel box they receive. But nonetheless, it's a very interesting and fascinating idea that they have here. And as part of this sponsored video, I'm going to bring to you some of the particulars involved in this promotion and outline the different options for these subscription packages that will be offered through MK Barz. As we all know, hand-poured art bars are not for everyone. There are obviously many folks out there who are the pure stackers who want silver's priced as close to spot as possible. But there's also been a growing community within the stacker community on YouTube and just fans in general who really enjoy the artistry and the talent involved in poured silver. And MK Barz is a company that has been providing probably some of the most unique and variety of different types of hand poured silver out there. And they've also been offering, as of late, a subscription service with various different themes and limited products, for sure. And that's kind of what they're catering to with this. It's an ability to be able to provide a service that can give people some excitement on what they may get. That's why MK Barz has reached out to several different YouTube channels out there, 10 of us in total, to become this International Silver Syndicate. And so we have our poured bars that will be part of these subscription packages that we will go over here in a moment. And this is a way for members of the community, those of you who love poured silver, to be able to get some of these unique pieces and to possibly be able to collect. These things will be individually numbered and privied. They will have kind of a different privy mark for each of these, depending. There's a lot that goes into this product for sure. I mean, these things, they have to be designed, and then the dies need to be cut. Then the graphite molds have to be shaped, and a lot of things going on just before you even pour the silver, such as sizing up the silver and melting it and pouring it. Then once it is struck and poured, then the edges are hammered and then marked with the purity, antiqued. A lot of stuff that's involved with these very unique characteristics and individual privy marks that will make these collectible for a time to come. Each box will come with a certificate of authenticity, which will have the number, the name. I'm going to show, I have a sample that was sent to me, and I'll show you that here after a bit. But very fascinating indeed. Let's talk a bit about the different packages. And I will post a link in the description of this video below to the International Silver Syndicate landing page here. It talks about this new subscription service as a way to protect your wealth, but enjoy silver for what it is. The ISS box number 1, this is the International Silver Syndicate box number 1. It includes 2 1-ounce channel rounds, which will be a random sampling. So it could be one of the 2 of the 10 channel rounds that are out there now. And there will be privy marked in the back that will change monthly. And those 2 total ounces for this particular box is $95. And you can sign up for this on the landing page per month. The ISS box number 2 includes 2 2-ounce channel rounds with a random sampling. And then they will be privy marked in the back, and that changes monthly as well. So you get 2-ounce channel rounds, a quantity of 2 of those. That's for a total of 4 ounces for $195. And then ISS box number 3 includes 1 5-ounce art bar with all the channel logos on the back. Art on the front of the bar will change monthly. And so that's for 5 total ounces for $245. And so those are the different options from which you can sign up for now. And so here we are. We've got the package here from MK Barz. Very exciting. Let's pull this out. Let's see, here's an example of the certificate of authenticity that you get with it. Very cool indeed. This is signed by M. Cabrin here, Michael Cabrin. And this one is a Silver International Silver Syndicate here. This is the prototype, the MK Barz. Their information there. Let's pull out. Also get a magnet, which is pretty cool. Very nice. Definitely have that. And look at here. We got some cool stickers. But what everybody's waiting for is what an example of what one of these Silver Syndicate pieces would look like. So let's take a look and see what we have here. There it is. Felt bag. Very nicely packaged. There it is. Very, very nice. And as you can see, that's the all-seeing eye and the world there. And the triangle. Exemplifying the International Silver Syndicate. And here is, based off of the Salivate Metal round, of which you guys are familiar. Here it is compared to the original Salivate Metal round. Both 1 ounce. This bar is quite the chunk as well, as you can see there. And the other package has the 2-ounce version, so that would be interesting to see. And this is just one of the other 10 channels that you'll be able to accumulate as part of this program, the International Silver Syndicate subscription program. So there it is. I hope you enjoyed. I would like to extend a multitude of gratitude, y'all, for watching, and encourage you to please rate, comment, and subscribe.
Hello.
Yes, sir. Hello, I'm looking for funding.
Yes, hi. How are you?
I'm doing great.
Uh,
I'm looking to help fund the International Silver Syndicate. Can you help me with that, please, sir?
yes, definitely. How much money are you looking for?
Enough that I can, help promote this thing and get this thing off the ground. You know, the Silver Syndicate. We want to go worldwide. So we needed some money for it, for the designs and the products that were featured here, hand poured and hammered edges, antiqued, stamped, silver. What do you think?
Okay, and what's your business name?
International Silver Syndicate. It's a consortium of different folks. You know what I'm saying? I mean, we've got Canada represented. We've got the United Kingdom represented. We even have the United States of America represented. And hey, if you're from India, we can even represent you. We need that part of the world covered too. Can you help a brother out, Home Slice?
Yeah, I can.
Okay, this is wonderful. You sound as excited as I am about this. And what's interesting is on the reverse of this thing, it's got the all-seeing eye. Yea, though it's not tied to the Illuminati, which is a wonderful thing. I'm glad of that. And then we have the world represented there on it as well. Do you see that? Yeah, you hung up on me, you son of a motherless goat. Dang it. Well, the International Silver Syndicate will press on.